Today's the 28th at 4 o'clock. Hands are useless. I keep dropping my Skittles and I can't pick them up. Ain't that funny? Can't pick up my Skittles and I'm craving sugar like you wouldn't believe. And I took out steaks to cook, but I think it's going to be a pizza night. Full moon tomorrow and it is quiet. No activity. Of course, I'm not shaking out anything. They always pop out when I shake them out. See? There's the flood. Right out of the blankets. Out of me. Hands are not very good today. And the energy is pretty low. You can't even see it. So, and the cats are acting bonkers. Why are you bonkers today? You're eating plastic? You're doing weird stuff. He's getting in his watching position. I can hear them. I can hear it super, super, super loud. Oh, my ears are ringing at the craziest, highest pitch. Or watching Angel Face. The blizzard comes off of me, doesn't it? Okay, no crazy shapes, no butterflies, no hearts, no birds, nothing nuts. Maybe it's too early. But I gotta tell you, or maybe the roll of the front door. You know what, before I turn this off, because I don't know, rain must be coming. And there were nodes and the arthritis. It kind of sucks. I just took a bunch of Motrin. And I get my dental surgery in 1 month, May 29th. Cannot wait. Cannot wait. Whatever's going on in my mouth will be coming out, and I will feel brand new. And of course, hippity hoppity kitty, right? What? I don't see a blizzard right now. No blizzard. No blizzard. Maybe they're just hanging out. We're gonna do the love right now, right? Semi-blizzard. Yeah, they're here. Flying off my body. Alright, it's not even nighttime yet. It's going to be crazy later because tomorrow's a full moon. That bounced right up your neck. And the glittery ones, too. Hi, Angel Face. He comes with his own. I knew when he first got here, the oars were bouncing off of him. He's like Yoda. Hey, Angel Face. There's the bird flying thing. Right through the door. You saw that go through the door? Because God knows he did. Well, that's where the action has been these past few days, at the front door. Of all places. Yeah, it's here because I feel like I'm going to pass out. I'm super wicked dizzy. I know, babies. Look at you. Alright, 3 minutes in. Time to play this back. Yep. Wow, some of them are shiny, huh? See what that bird was. Alright, until tonight and until the full moon, we will chill and be back. There's that bird thing again. Look at that. Super white and bouncing off the cat's butt. Cats are trying to get them. It's okay. Don't be afraid, baby. It's okay. Oh, boy. Be love, be light. Thanks for watching. I'll be back to film more of the blizzard. Peace.